One of the biggest fears people have is if they file bankruptcy, will they lose their belongings, their house, their car? And the answer is almost entirely no. They do not lose those kinds of things. You know, your homestead is considered a homestead. There's an exemption in Iowa that protects that. Your car, you know, if you're an individual, you can have a very nice car without having to lose that. Your household goods, I've never had a client that's lost any household goods. Clothing is exempt. If you're a hunter, you can have a rifle and a shotgun. People's life insurance policies are exempt. Their pensions, their IRAs, their 401ks are generally all exempt unless you've made some incredibly unusual large contributions recently. Like I said, most everything that people have is going to be exempt. One of the things that people have is what we call tools of the trade. You know, if you're a carpenter or whatever and you've got certain tools that you need to use to make a living, those are going to be generally exempt. Also, farm equipment and things like that in a normal farming operation are going to be exempt. Your burial plot, if you've got one of those, is going to be exempt. Most of your jewelry, your wedding rings, there's an exemption for wedding rings. Cash, you know. Now, if there is an issue with any particular piece of property, when you come into my office, we can go over it. I can help you do what's called pre-bankruptcy exemption planning, where we can help you move things around in such a way, in a totally legal way, so that you won't lose the value of what you might have. So I would just say don't worry about it. We can work through any issue that you might have, and it's more than likely that you will not lose anything that you own.